We've already done all the hard work of creating the back cushions. Now the same thing needs to be done for the seats and the side arm cushions. So we're going to do it in a montage. For the seats, you start with a cube, scale it down, edge loops to make the faces squares, subsurface level 2, pressure to gravity off. Then once it looks good, add seams, unwrap, increase subsurf to a level 3, run the simulation, pick a frame that looks good, and then apply all the modifiers. Since the cushion is perfectly square, we can actually rotate the duplicates to have different simulation shapes facing the front so that it looks varied from the whole couch. Generate face sets from UVs, then use the cloth inflate brush with face set boundary auto masking to create those nice puffy shapes with the seams being affected. You can then use the cloth drag to pull the fabric or pinch perpendicular and grab brush to make ripples. As always, just look at multiple references and try to replicate what you see there. Keep in mind the shape of the cloth, in that if you've got like a bold shape, for example, you couldn't make it loose. That would just look odd. Then it's basically the exact same thing for the arm cushions. Something I did here though is actually add an extra layer of subsurf modifier after applying the cloth sim, and then applying that so that I had some extra detail that I could use with the cloth brush. And that was basically it for this step. So super short video, but I did want to include this because yeah, some of you might have had questions of how to do that thing, but really it is just exactly the same as what we did previously. So it's all there. So that's it for this video. Go ahead and click here for the next video where we will be doing the texturing. See you there.